The world is changing faster than ever. New careers, new skills, new challenges. In this fast-moving world, standing still means falling behind. And education must move ahead of time, not behind it. At SGS, we prepare students for tomorrow through STEM education, coding, and innovation. Entrepreneurship programs that spark ideas, life skills and soft skills that build confidence, leadership, and powerful communication. From public speaking to problem solving, we shape thinkers, creators, and confident individuals. Join us today, because the future belongs to those who evolve beyond the ordinary. Admissions open for session 2026 to 27.